here is the meal plan for this week. So on Friday, we'll go out to eat. Well, actually, that's the day that I'm going to Kelsey Ballerini concert, so I'm not going to be cooking. Saturday, I'll be traveling back home, so we're just going to have pizza. Sunday, barbecue chicken sandwiches with potatoes and broccoli, which actually I think I'm going to do leftover pasta salad instead of potatoes. Monday, beef and rice with green beans. Tuesday, chicken and noodles with cheddar biscuits. Wednesday is a new recipe to me. It is McGriddle muffins, and then I'm going to make some eggs on the side, just like a breakfast for dinner situation. Thursday, out to eat, you're on your own. Our kids go with their grandma, so we kind of just figure it out. Friday, I have reserved for leftovers. And then for breakfast prep, I've got overnight oats, lunch prep, tuna salad. And then for dessert this week, I'm going to make some banana bread with some frozen bananas that I have in my freezer. And then for my husband's work, I just make a note that I need to get Lunchables, Uncrustables, which I did not get, honey buns, Gatorade, and crackers. Okay, here is the overview. If you missed my grocery haul last week, I explained why my hauls are a little bit smaller these next couple weeks, probably because I stock up on meat from Sam's Club and also snacks and stuff, so I don't have to get as much at the grocery store whenever I go to Walmart. So we'll start down here with non-food. So I needed a bunch of light bulbs for outside, so I got 2 of the floodlight light bulbs, and then I got 3 of these. They're supposed to be dusk to dawn, and they turn on automatically and then off whenever it gets light. So needed those for the outside lights. I also needed some electrical tape because my cat has basically chewed through my TV cord in my office, so I'm going to tape that up before she chews completely through it, and then I don't have a TV in there. I got some shredded lettuce for salads. I got cottage cheese and Greek yogurt for, well, cottage cheese I keep on hand, but I also make some yogurt bowls with Greek vanilla yogurt. So that's usually my after workout snack. I also got some cookies and cream ice cream for my husband. Lunchables for my husband's lunch. I ordered a spicy one for him to try, and then I also ordered just a regular one, but for some reason they were out of it and they didn't substitute, so he's only getting 3 Lunchables this week, I guess. And then I got 2 of the turkey and cheddar. Some smoked turkey breast just to have on hand. Thank goodness this is good until May, because the last few times that I've gotten this, it has expired like the next week, so this is gonna last a little bit. To go with our chicken and noodles night, I got some cheddar bay biscuit mix, just something other than rolls, just to kind of switch it up a little bit. And then this is my favorite granola. It's the Purely Elizabeth chocolate chip cookie granola. This is really, really good, and it does have some sugar in it, but you kind of have to pick your battles when you're trying to get something. So it's only 3 grams of protein, but it's 130 calories for a third a cup, which is like perfect amount with the ratio of yogurt to granola. So I like that, and that lasts me probably like 3 weeks. To go along with one of the dinners, I think with the beef and rice, I got French style green beans, 2 cans of those. For the chicken and noodles, I got some cream and chicken soup. I know this is not the best for you, but sometimes you just gotta find the balance in life. I also got some ready hard-boiled eggs. This is what I'm gonna use for my tuna salad, along with 2 packets of this chunk light tuna and water. I've been loving having tuna salad for lunch with popcorn or chips, and it fills me up because tuna is so filling. I also got some au jus gravy mix to go with the beef and rice. Honey buns for my husband, needed to restock. I think the kids have been eating those when they're not supposed to. This is strictly for my husband's lunch, and because they're kind of expensive, you get 8 for $5. So anyways, they know that that's not their snack bin. They have their own snack bin, but sometimes they get things that they're not supposed to. You know how kids are. I also got some peanut butter crackers. I went ahead and got the big one because it was like $6 for 20, so it's really not that bad. I had been getting these at Sam's Club, but I forgot to get them last time. So my husband has requested that I get those for him for his lunch. For the McGriddle muffins, I got some sausage, also some sharp cheddar cheese. I'll shred that and just put it in a bag in the fridge. And then I got some bread just for sandwiches, peanut butter and jelly, whatever we need it for. Some Fairlife milk. This is what I use for my overnight oats. I got 1.5 gallons of milk because that's about what we use, and I was just trying to make it a little bit cheaper. I got 18 eggs, and then also some cherry Coke back there for my husband. I also got some kitty litter, but I've already put it in my office, so I'm getting ready to change the litter box. But anyways, this haul was about $140. So not too bad. I feel like I got more than this, but I don't know, I guess not. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure and give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please subscribe. Other than that, I will see you in my next one. Bye.